do any close-in shots or come around the corner, you need to keep it below the shoulder, center mass, all right? No close-in face shots, head shots, neck shots, anything like that. That's not fun for anybody. What else? That covers it, doesn't it? Yeah. That's the biggest question. We're going to play a game out there. We've got 10 CDs around the field. There's going to be a basket at each respawn point. We're going to do 2 respawns, touch and go. So 3 lives total. There's handprints on the walls out there. You guys might have seen out there while you're walking around. When you respawn, you got to go touch that handprint. That in your backhand, touch and go, all right? The CDs, if you get shot while you're trying to get a CD from the field and bring it back to your respawn basket, you got to drop that CD where it is. No handing the CDs off. I know that sucks, but it adds to the fun of it. So no handing the CDs off. If you find one out there, you got to take it back yourself to the respawn basket. And that's about it, man. 3 lives. Oh, look who it is. Oh, Harrison. Harrison Beers, everybody. Thanks for showing up.
Harrison Beers.
Hey.
What's up, Harrison?
All right, so let's break it off into teams. You guys all want to sit together. 1, 2, 3, 4,
I think it's
5,
beer
6,
Mako, ain't it?
1,
It's
2,
our
3,
Mako
4,
beer.
5. And then you want to hang out with these cats? All right, man. You guys are going to spawn right here. And then tell me, the spawn all the way in the back corner right there. All call game on here momentarily, guys.